for what I was getting. Between the high waves on the sea, waiting for something to get to me. I wasn't sure what I was hoping for, you see. But you act like gravity and you are pulling me. 'Cause you know what I want, babe. And you know everything that gets me going. You know what I want, babe. All the little things that I'm not showing. You know what I want, babe. And you know it all before I do it. You know what I want, babe.
What are you doing with my lawnmower?
Taking it out back where it belongs.
That's a nice one. It's gonna freeze.
I have feelings too, you know.
Woohoo! And this is my project Spyder right here. Yes. Excitement. Alright, yeah, this is my 1999 Spyder. I appreciate my buddy Colby for giving me the opportunity to have this to work on. Have this as my new daily, so it is very appreciated. Because I know he was hoping to really do something with it.
Yeah.
And then he, unfortunately, but fortunately gave me the opportunity, so I'm very appreciative of that. Because I was just looking for one just to run as a daily. And then later on, you know, messing with it even more with turboing and at the end, all-wheel drive swap, just to be a little bit different. Yeah, just a little bit different. What are you laughing at?
Yeah. All-wheel drive turbo and a convertible.
Yeah. Of course, there's plenty of them out there, but this one is mine.
There's just not that many.
No, but people have done it.
Totally worth all-wheel drive swapping.
Yeah, it'll be nice, fun, and different. But obviously, we got the engine done, ready to go. Need to redo the timing, but I'm gonna go ahead and prime the oil system. So I took the timing belt off. So I'll just wait on that. But everything else is about ready to go. But other than this car, it's not too bad of shape. It's got scratches and rock dings and everything everywhere. The front bumper,
Obvious clear coat failure.
yeah, it's not looking so great. So that will be getting painted at some point. Then I got to go around and do the little rock chip repairs. They're just kind of everywhere. And then,
Lots of clear coat repair.
yeah.
A lot of buffing ahead of us.
And then also the side skirts over here is doing the same thing. But other than that, the car's in really great shape.
Spyder's doing that right there.
And
Yeah, it's starting to milk. The clear coat's failing on it.
It seems to be a problem with a lot of Mitsubishi cars, is just clear coat failure, especially on the 3Gs.
It's always the plastics too.
Yeah.
Side skirts, the wing, the bumpers, but all the metal panels are totally fine.
Yeah, the 3Gs had the really bad issue with the paint.
Yes,
they all did.
Yes, they did.
But obviously what we need to get done on this is we got to get the hood off and we'll start taking the engine out. Right now what we know is the engine's kind of locked up. I'm thinking the bounce shaft belt just gave out. I swapped out the valve covers on this. So that's why it's got that crappy blue one I was talking about.
Yeah, it had some catastrophic timing failure back down in that hole.
Yeah, whatever happened, I mean, even the engine mount is broken.
Yeah, it broke in half.
Which I've never seen an engine mount fail, but that's pretty interesting. But she's dirty, but she's clean at the same time. Everything works, even the top works. You want to go lift the top?
Does it have enough room to swing in here?
I think so. I don't think it goes too high up. If not, I'll yell at you.
One of these keys. Oh, that one. This one. Here we are.
Turn her over.
Yep, that one. Wait.
Oh yeah, you gotta unlock the top first.
I gotta unlock the top first.
There's something fun and goofy about the little side mirrors that go down. Oh yeah, you're good.
It does.
Probably needs to give it a little bit of oiling.
Yeah. Probably wouldn't hurt the
Yeah.
plastics to start going through everything since it sat so much.
Yeah, it's still dirty back there where it sits in. I need to clean up. The interior's not bad. I'd more happily like to put in the leathers and everything. Maybe try to find some leather backs from like a 3G. I do believe they fit in here just fine. But other than that, it is a really clean car and a good place to start.
It is. I'm gonna put the top back because we might need it as a shelf.
Yeah. So that is where we're starting. We just got to get the hood off. You know, just the normal engine pull things, which should be easier without a turbo system.
Oh, it'd be a lot more reliable.
Yeah. So, fun times are ahead. And it should go pretty quick. Alright, I got the hood off. Basically just gonna start with all the easy crap.
Yeah,
Is that yours?
I'm done. This is too hard.
Alright.
That's my past my
Bye.
capabilities.
You can't leave through the garage door.
It's always awkward.
But I'll do the easy stuff. Take out the radiator.
Yeah, check the car out. Check out fluids too.
Yeah, make sure they're all empty. Supposedly there's a hole. We know there's a hole apparently in the oil pump housing.
Yeah, hold on. I'll show you the hole.
Yeah, if I can actually get a good beat on it with the camera.
Yeah, I'll show you what the hole should look like.
Should look like or will look like?
Yeah, I'll show you what it should look like. Alright, me and my 4G people out there should know what this
Oh, you got a piece of it. Yeah.
Yeah, you should, you 4G guys out there should know what this is. Yeah. So that should give you an idea of how bad the timing grenaded.
Yeah, that's part of it.
Yep, sure is. That's the inside of the oil
Now, there's
pump.
usually a big piece like around this, right?
Yeah, about yay big.
Yeah.
With a hole here and a couple
Yeah,
holes here.
you have a solid one, a full one to compare to.
So yeah. So we're looking at about. Whoops. Yeah.
So it's back in there. So the block may be okay. It's just the balance shaft and all that failed, or maybe the balance or the oil pump shaft locked up.
Yeah, this front balance shaft belt, it's in there still. It's grenaded and stripped. It's still stuck in there. Yeah, I think when that popped, that probably locked the piston up and probably popped a rod or something and shoved the broken rod into the back, and then yeah, because the part out I just recently did had this exact same problem, but the timing, well, the oil pump didn't snap off. It just deadlocked the block, and I got lucky it didn't destroy the block. So the block's savable, but everything else is done. Crank and rods are done. Yeah, so we get that much to look forward to.
Yeah, so it'll be fun to see what actually happened.
Yeah, we'll go ahead and start popping some fluids out.
Yeah, make sure no fluids, get the radiator gone, get all the airbox stuff gone.
Get the front up in the air.
And try to make this as easy as a pull as possible.
Yeah,
Nothing we haven't done so far.
that's right. And we're gonna try this an interesting way. I'm gonna leave the trans in it.
It's usually how we do it.
It's an automatic transmission. All you gotta do is undo the torque converter, shove it back into the trans, into itself, and then we'll just wiggle the motor out. There's no clutch or nothing in the way. It's just shove the whole assembly in, plop the new motor in, bolt to the valve housing, and then pull the torque converter up to the flywheel and bolt it. Shaboobity. No axles to draw, none of that. Just a starter.
All right, I'll take your word for it.
Yep. I broke it. Look at that. It's newer. Covered in crap. Oh wow, there's stuff missing.
Oh, yeah, the bolts to hold it together.
I don't know what they had vibrated out. There,
Yeah,
that's why it's
a
all
little bit
lodged.
more of the.
Wow, there she bleeds.
All the evidence is slowly adding up. We got a busted balance shaft belt, just like I was thinking.
Good God. You're not supposed to do that.
Well, every other engine I've taken apart, when I pull on it, it pops. These things just, they don't last if you don't replace them.
Look at that.
Especially if there's like an oil leak, I think it will break them down quicker.
You think we can salvage this for the leather to make shoes?
You know, we could
That's
just like
pretty bad.
a few safety clips and just throw it back on.
That's most likely what happened. And yeah, this casing's shot. There's cracks all down in it too.
Oh yeah, I see them. That may happen when it blew. Yeah, that's the whole hole right there.
No, that's
It ate the gear.
The balance shaft is loose in there.
Interesting.
Yeah, that's I'm pretty sure that balance shaft is probably popped in there. Look how loose that is.
I'm thinking, yeah, we lost the bearing with, like I said.
Yeah, chewed the bearing out.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's gone. That's pretty bad juju. Everything's ruined.
Well, big piece of the mystery as to what happened to the block in the car. Either one of the belts, you know, popped, or the bearings in the oil pump locked up.
Did you record that? How loose the bearing was?
Yeah. And we actually have a nice piece of iron block.
Yeah,
Right off the back of the oil pump.
Yep.
So that engine's done. No use of that in the future, as I was hoping.
Nope.
That's all right.
So much for my future.
Yeah.
I guess the next adventure is to get that AC compressor off there.
It's not like it's hard to get 2.4 blocks, anyways. Alright, the engine is out.
What a
Yeah.
catastrophic disaster that motor is. It's not that it's
Yeah.
hard to take out.
No,
it's
that's
just,
pretty easy.
just what happened to that motor.
Yeah. This was what was in the pan. I don't know if there's enough light for that.
There'll be an included video, I promise.
Yeah. So that's what's left of the internals, and there's also a huge gaping hole in the block. I don't know if there's a good view on it.
Nah, you have to get real low for it.
Yeah.
Might just when we do disassembly for storage, we'll show the hole.
But yeah, that block won't be going, well, won't be usable again.
Yep. And as I said before, I'm just gonna leave it all in there.
Yeah.
Look, this is the torque converter right here. Yeah, you just push it, leave it in the back, and it spins freely by hand.
Cool.
So, yeah. You just line the dowel pins up, put the bolts in, make sure your Jesus bolt's in there, and you're good to go.
Yep. So, I guess this is just where we're going to end this video.
Yep.
Next one is just be getting this all cleaned up, getting the rest of the other block ready to go.
Yeah, we're gonna have to do a little bit of disassembly for ease of install, because he wants to retain the AC, and we're gonna do that. It's just the intake manifold's definitely in the way.
Yeah, I was going to remove the AC, but there's still pressure in the system. It's still good to go, so I might as well run it for now.
Yeah, we'll give it a try. If it still don't work and you just don't care, then we can remove it later.
Yeah, I'll just remove it, just like rest of the other cars. Yeah. Yeah, it's a good place to start.
It's a wonderful place to start.
So, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.
Until next time. Woo. Bueno, bye.
You act like gravity.